Hello my friends, it's Jessica and welcome back to another thrifting adventure. So on today's Goodwill thrifting trip, I purchased 4 items and I will share with you everything that I purchased at the end of today's video. But first I'm going to share with you everything that caught my eye, like this beautiful mosaic glass vase for only $7.99. And I happened to see a lot of really cool glass pieces on today's trip, and you'll have to let me know which of them were your favorite. If you're new here to my channel, I go thrifting for myself. It's a fun hobby of mine, and I mainly like to purchase home decor items, and I do like to purchase an occasional gift for a friend or family. If you enjoy this type of thrifting content, I would love to have you here as part of my YouTube family. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I do post new videos on my channel every week, and say hello down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. So when I spotted these Rae Dunn beach themed tumblers right here, I kind of got sad for a minute because I'm realizing that summer is almost over. I do love fall though, so I am pretty excited that fall is right around the corner. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, but this gorgeous picture right here had butterflies and flowers etched into it. I thought it was gorgeous, and I'm kind of bummed I didn't pick it up. I don't know what I was thinking this day, and I'm sure someone is going to love using this. It was a steal at only $2.98, and I'm sure it didn't stay in the store very long. So I did almost purchase this gorgeous Carolina blue Anne Klein purse. It was only $2.49, but I ended up leaving it behind because after further inspection, I found some damage on it, and I really don't need another purse, so I had to leave it behind. So I got pretty lucky when it comes to glassware today. I purchased this beautiful little crystal piece right here. It was only $1.38. And then of course, you know, I could not leave that Coke can style drinking glass behind. I have a whole collection of these. I love these. This one was only 99 cents and it was plain, so I had to bring it home. And you may be surprised, but I did purchase that gorgeous tangerine colored art glass vase. It was hand blown. It was only $3.99 and I have a spot for it in mind in my home already, so I had to bring it home. And as soon as I got all of these pieces home, I decided to go ahead and give them a wash. And I do have a magic eraser down there in the water that I'm using to get the prices off. The sponge will usually do the trick, but the magic eraser works a little bit better. So once I got all these pieces clean, I let them dry, and I went ahead and put my soda can style glass in my cabinet. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of them, and I was really happy to find another one at the thrift store because they are a little bit hard to find. And that beautiful crystal piece that I picked up was stamped Rosenthal Studio Germany on the bottom, and I'm guessing it's probably a candle votive or a small vase. Either way, I loved this piece. I love the design of it. It has a modern feel to it, and I thought it would be great to use on my coffee table. I have these small remotes and they were getting a little crowded on the table, so I thought I could put them inside of the little vase. And I also have my lighter in here. I love this lighter, by the way. It's an electric rechargeable one. I'll link it down below in case you're interested. Anyways, I like how this looks. It balances out the other glass piece that I have on the opposite side of the coffee table. And right now I'm filling up that vase. I currently have it in my office, and I just have some of my Monstera clippings in it that I have been rooting. I have a couple of these in different vases all around my house. Anyways, I thought it would look great here on my desk. It gives the room a little pop of color, and I like the contrast of the green stem and the orange vase. I think it's really pretty. And the last item that I purchased on today's trip was that magic bullet for only $5.97. I had been wanting one of these anyway, so when I saw this one here, I thought I would go ahead and give it a try. I did test it out in the store before I purchased it to make sure that it worked, and it looked like it was good to go. So I cleaned it up, I got the price off of it, I gave it a good thorough cleaning, and I thought I would test it out for you guys on camera. I'm currently making my favorite smoothie. I'll leave a recipe down below in case you're interested. I was really surprised how much could actually fit in the bullet portion. It looked kind of small, but I was able to make a normal size smoothie like I would make in a blender, and it was also really easy to clean up. So I was really happy with this purchase. I think I got a great deal. So that is everything that I found on this week's thrifting trip. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as you can see, my Thrift Haul Inspector Peanut did approve of all of my purchases today. I think this is the first week in a couple of weeks that I haven't brought anything home that had eyeballs, so she was really happy about that. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We hope it inspires you to go out and go thrifting for yourself. You never know what's waiting out there for you. Thanks again, and we will see you next week with a new thrifting video.